students to the 15th session of chapter 6 triangles standard 10th. Okay. Now before I proceed further, yes, what we did yesterday, we solved exercise 6.4, example number 1, 2 and 4, and we missed the third one by I don't know how. Okay. So I'll solve that third one and then fifth onwards. Okay. But before solving that, one query was asked by a boy, alright, difficulty, and that was the only difficulty that I received on my WhatsApp so far. So I thought I would solve that in the last video, but the boy reminded me again yesterday, so I said, let me solve it in this video after seeing his enthusiasm. Alright, fine. So here the question is, in triangle ABC, angle A is to angle B is to angle C is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. If AB is equal to 15, then BC is equal to dash. Children, that is one important result that you must have seen in 9th standard. 9th standard में आपने ये result देखा होगा. नहीं देखा होगा तो अब देख लो. Right? Fine. Before I solve this, we'll see this result. This is a right angled triangle. ABC. Suppose this is right angled triangle. And measure of the remaining two angles. One is right angle. Other two are acute. But if measure of angle C is equal to 30 degree, especially for 31, especially for this 30 degree, then the side opposite to that in right triangle is AB. That is equal to half the length of the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse से आधा होता है. Suppose ये कुछ triangle ऐसे मिला, PQR. Angle R is 90. In right triangle, angle P is 30 degree. Side opposite to that is QR. That is half of hypotenuse. Right angle के सामने वाला. Thank you. This is the result of standard 9. Okay, इसको याद करना बराबर, because quite often you will use it and it's very important for objective type of question. I'll prove it very quickly. I won't be writing all. Okay, I produced AB to D such that BD equal to AB. BD equal to AB, yeah, AB equal to BD. That means D is midpoint of AD. So AB is half of AD. BD is half of AD. Yeah, AD is double of AB. Yeah, AD is double of BD. Alright. Now I join this. Alright. Now, this is a right angle. So this one is also right angle, linear pair in this red triangle. This is common side between red and green. This side is congruent to this side. Children, red triangle and green triangle are congruent by side, angle, side. Not similar. I'm writing directly. ABC corresponds to DBC. DBC is congruence by side, angle, side. Okay? Okay, children? So, angle C, yeah, of green is equal to angle C of red. But that is 30. So, this is also 30. So, look at this black triangle now. This angle 30 plus 30 is 60 degree. From here I am getting AC is equal to CD. Yeah, DC. AC is this. CD is this. So in black triangle AC equal to CD. So AC के सामने वाला angle और CD के सामने वाला angle, they are also equal. Let me say this is X, but this is also X. So X, X and 60. X plus 60 is equal to 180. So that gives me 2x is equal to 180 minus 60, 120. Therefore, x is equal to 60. So this is 60. This is also 60. 60, 60, 60. Equiangular. So equilateral. Equiangular. So equilateral. So I can say AD is equal to AC. Equilateral triangle. But AD is double of AB. B is midpoint. So instead of AB, 2 times, instead of AD, double of AB. that is equal to AC. Multiply half on both sides. Multiply half on both sides. Half half cancel. So AB is equal to half of AC. मिला? जो हमारा ओरिजिनल ट्राइंगल था वो कुछ ऐसा था, राइट? ये एंगल 30 है, उसके सामने वाली साइड AB is half of hypotenuse AC. Got it? Okay, fine. So we'll use this result here. Let's see. Okay, children, since the ratio of angles are given, all three angles are given, you can easily find out the measure of each angle. Like angle A is to angle B is to angle C is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. Now this is also fill in the blank. So objective 1 mark only. So directly, बोलिए angle A 1K, so K. Angle B 2K. Or angle C 3K. If you call AK, then B will be 2K and C will be 3K. Now you know angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. That gives me AK, B 2K and C 3K is equal to 180. 6K is equal to 180. So K is equal to 30. 6 ones are 6 3s are 0. K is equal to 30. If K is equal to 30, angle A is 30. 32s are 2 into 30, that is 60 degree. And 33 30s are, so that is 90 degree. Oh, 30, 60, 90. So it's a right triangle. Which is right angle? C. So C, let me call this A, this B. B is 60, I don't want that. A is 30, yes. ये रहा 30 के सामने वाला साइड BC is half of hypotenuse AB. Now it's given AB is 15, so half of 15. 2 ones are 2 7.5s are. So BC is 7.5. Understood? Sure? Got it? Now this question can be related to another chapter that you are going to learn in future. And that is trigonometry. And using trigonometry, also you can solve this. There, this 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is adjacent side AC upon hypotenuse AB. ये result use करके आप solve कर सकते हैं. But first you learn that chapter and then it becomes very easy. Fine? Alright, so now we proceed further with exercise 6.4. In the previous session we did first, second, and then by mistake we moved to fourth one, and this third one was skipped. So let's see the third one first. Okay. In figure below, you can see the figure. ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. We'll see that. Okay. ABC, उसको मैं रेड कर देता हूं. A, B and C. So it is A, B, C, D. I have wrongly done this. A, B and C is here. So this will be triangle ABC. Alright? Triangle ABC and triangle DBC. Where is D? Here. D. This is B and this one is C. So let me make it green so that we understand well. Yes. So we have red triangle and green triangle. Can you see red and green? It's one and the same side. So common side. In figure below, ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. That common base is BC. It's a base for both triangles. If AD, the diagonal, intersects BC at point O, then show that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AO upon DO. Alright. Children, if you want to take the ratio of areas of two triangles, first you will have to show they are similar. But there is no condition here. यहाँ एक भी condition नहीं मिलेगी आपको, by which you can show red triangle is similar to green triangle. कुछ तो चाहिए ना, ये trapezium जैसा दिख रहा है, but it's not parallel. Nothing is given in the statement. BD is parallel to AC, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Okay, सिर्फ common side BC equal to BC कह सकते हैं, nothing else. So if you cannot show the two triangles are similar, you cannot pick up that result of similar triangles. Then how will I take the ratio of these two triangles? So you know it is ratio of area of triangles. What is area of triangle ABC? What is the formula? Yes, use that, half into base into altitude. तो इसका base BC ले लो, red triangle का base BC ले लो. So from A you drop altitude, you need AM. AM is altitude to base BC from vertex A of red triangle ABC. So that will give you area of triangle ABC. Now let's see area of triangle DBC. DBC. Yes, choose the same base BC. So opposite vertex, BC का opposite vertex green triangle में D है. Drop perpendicular, and let's say N is the foot of perpendicular. All right. So what is the area of triangle ABC? Red one, half into base BC into altitude AM. And what is the area of green triangle DBC? Half into base BC into altitude DN. Then since you need to find ratio, yes, you take the ratio, use Euclid's property. Okay. Data and to prove. You write. Now you are very expert in writing that. Correct? I'll start with proof. Yes. If you want the areas, you need altitude. So I'll start with that. Let AM be perpendicular to BC such that B dash M dash C. Okay. दोनों को साथ में ही लिख देंगे. And बोलिए बोलिए DN perpendicular to BC such that B dash M dash O dash N dash C, B dash M dash O dash N dash C, and AD intersects BC at point O. Correct? Alright. That is given by data. Fine. Now, what you will do? Yes, just find out the area of the red triangle. Now, area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base BC into altitude AM. Result 1. You might need this, so I am calling it result. Okay. I'll say the whole thing is result 1. Whenever we need, we can use it. Now this is result 2. And area of green triangle, area of triangle green, that is DBC, that is half into, uska bhi base BC, into altitude is DN. Result 3. Fine, you take the ratio. Ratio ले लो, आपको ratio चाहिए. So take that ratio, children. By 2 and 3, it follows that, बोलिए, the area of red triangle, ABC upon area of green triangle, area of triangle DBC is equal to, okay, ऊपर half into BC into AM, and down half into BC into DN. Half of cancel, BC cancel. Wow, we are very close. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AM upon DN. Result 4 कहेंगे क्योंकि the target is not achieved, children. This is result number 4. Because what we want, we got this area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC, but AO upon DO, and here we got AM upon DN. All right, I'll rub this part now. Okay, please. Result 1 also I'm rubbing it out, but that perpendiculars are there. Please. When you are copying, pause and write, or take screenshot and write. Fine. Now children, you didn't get this. You got this. यहाँ का area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC. That is what we had. Correct? Okay. So you got this. We need this. But instead of that, we got this. So they two have to be equal. यदि ये दो इक्वल हो गए तो काम बन गया. अभी देखो, AO upon DO is equal to AM upon DN. That is our next destination. That is our next thing that we need to prove. देख लीजिए, ये AO और ये AM, AO और AM कहाँ है? सर्पेंटाइन AO, AM. तो ये ट्राइंगल में, करेक्ट. नीचे देख लो, DO, ये रहा DO, DN, ये रहा DN. तो ये ट्राइंगल. Yeah, children, you have to prove these two triangles are similar, so you get the ratio. So पूरा कुछ अलग साइड पे जाके काम करना पड़ेगा. Well, this is right angle from 1, result 1 perpendicular. This is right angle, correct, and this are vertically opposite angle. So A corollary, good. So I'm writing directly now. In triangle AMO, in triangle AMO and triangle DNO, triangle DNO, angle AMO is equal to angle DNO, DNO. Right angles you write. Right angles by 1. They are right angles by 1 because perpendicular. And angle AOM and angle AOM equal to angle DON, angle DON. Result vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, a correspondence, dash corresponds to dash dash dash, is a similarity by AA criterion. इसका लिख देता हूं AMO. चलिए, where are the angles? Here. M corresponds to N. M is in the middle, so N has to be in the middle. O corresponds to O. O is last, so here you will have D. Correct? DNO. Therefore, जो जरूरत है AM upon DN. कहाँ है AM? Here. Upon DN. Yes, AM and DN are corresponding. Then I want AO. I'm interested in that. So AO upon DO. Result 4 था, अब result 5. So by 4 and 5. Okay. I'll erase this one line as well. Thus, by 4 and 5, it follows that, बोलिए, what is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC? That is AM upon DN. But what is AM upon DN? AO upon DO. Proved. Clear? Understood? That's all. Sum number 3. Next is 5 now, not 4, because that we have already done. Okay? So moving on to the next one, that is number 5. But before we read the statement, we will have to recall midpoint theorem of standard 9. Now what is midpoint theorem? Can you recall? Okay. Here is one triangle. Let's say PQR. Choose any two sides. PQ and take midpoint. Let's say this is A. Uska midpoint, another side. PA equal to QA, PB equal to RB. So A is midpoint of side PQ, B is midpoint of side PR. Then the line segment joining the midpoint, that is AB, is parallel to third side QR. And one more result, the length of line segment AB is half of QR. So AB is parallel to QR and AB is half of PR. If I say C is midpoint of QR, then AC is parallel to PR, correct? And AC is half of PR. So AC will be parallel to PR and AC is equal to half of PR. Same way you may take the third side if you want. Alright? B is midpoint of PR and C is midpoint of QR. So line segment joining BC will be parallel to third side PQ and BC is equal to half of PQ. Now look here. What you got? This one is parallel to this one, correct? And this one is parallel to this one. So look at this quadrilateral. See that serpentine line. This is parallel to this is parallel to this. So this is a parallelogram. It's a parallelogram. Alright. And you know these opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Alright. If you take this side, BC, then this one will be parallelogram. And this opposite angles would be equal. Same way. If you take this, ye wala, A, P, B, C, D, then angle P will be angle C because it also would be parallelogram. Got it? So midpoint theorem के आगे भी हम बढ़े हैं तो कुछ, okay? चाहिए. So now let's see what we have to prove in the next one. D, E, F are midpoints of sides AB, BC and CA. See that? We got midpoints of sides of triangle. That's why we'll have to recall midpoint theorem. Correct? Okay. Find the ratio of area of triangles DEF and ABC. Children, once again, we have to find the ratio of areas of triangle. In the previous sum also, area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2. We have to prove that, right? Here we have to find ratio of areas of triangle DF and triangle ABC. Means this is the goal. Area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC. That is how much. That ratio is how much. So once again, the same concept. Okay, before going to this, let me take the midpoint. D is midpoint of AB. So here, correct? AD equal to BD. E is midpoint of BC. So let me take E here. Correct? And F is midpoint here. Alright. So join DE, EF and DF. So this green triangle DF upon black triangle ABC, उसकी area का ratio ढूंढना है. Children, here you can prove green triangle is similar to black triangle. क्यों? अभी मैंने बताया this is going to be a parallelogram. So this angle will be equal to this angle. Correct? Angle B, the black, ABC, is equal to angle F, the green, DFE. So black triangle or green triangle का one pair of corresponding angles इक्वल। उसी तरह आप ये ट्राई ओके सर्पेंटाइन कर देता हूं, ये पैरेललोग्राम ले लो, तो दिस एंगल वुड बी इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. So black angle C ACB is equal to green angle DEF. So two corresponding pairs of angles are congruent. So green triangle is similar to black triangle. So you can take the result. Theorem 6.6. Ratio of areas is equal to square of ratio of corresponding sides. Okay. चलिए data I'll write this time. DEF are respectively the midpoints of sides AB, BC and AC. AB, BC, AC of triangle ABC. Correct? That's it. To prove, not to prove. Okay. I've written again data. We have to find. We don't have to prove here. Alright? चलिए. ठीक है, डेटा लिख दिया तो लिख दिया. Fine. I'll start. I want to show this mark. Okay. So I'll take E and F. E and F. E and F are midpoints of sides. Bolo. E is midpoint of BC and F is midpoint of AC. How did you get this? By data. By data. Therefore, EF is parallel to AB and EF is equal to half of AB. Result 1. By theorem. If you want, you can write by midpoint theorem. Got that? Okay? चलिए. Similarly, okay, E and you got EF parallel to BD, all right? Yeah, AB. Now you can say DF is parallel to BC. That will take D and F. Similarly, we get. I'm going to write directly now. Similarly, we get. बोलिए. DF is parallel to BC. DF is parallel to BC. Result number 2. DF is parallel to BC. Result number 2. By 1, it follows that. EF is parallel. EF is parallel to AB. So you can say EF is parallel to BD. EF is parallel to BD. Okay, I'll write both by 1 and 2. इसको भी ले लो. DF is parallel to BE and DF is parallel to BE because what you use here A dash, D dash, B and B dash, E dash, C. That's why you can say DF is parallel to AB but you can say BD. Similarly, DF is parallel to BC, but you can say DF is parallel to BE because of betweenness. Therefore, this is parallel to this side is parallel to this. Therefore, quadrilateral BEFD is a parallelogram. By definition. All right. Okay, I'll have to continue here. I'll remove this data also now. I'll remove this part also. Please pay attention. Huh? All right, children. If BEFD is a parallelogram, then angle B equal to angle F. Therefore, angle B equal to angle F by property of parallelogram. By property. Therefore, B को पूरा black form में लिख दो. Angle ABC. Therefore, angle ABC equal to F को green form में लिख दो. DFE. angle DFE. Okay. Fine. Similarly, we get बताइए B इक्वल टू F आया, अब D इक्वल टू एंगल C. एंगल C ब्लैक लेफ्ट में लिखते हैं, एंगल ब्लैक दैट इज C ACB, एंगल ACB is equal to green angle D FDE, angle FDE. Finished. AA is satisfied. Therefore, a correspondence dash corresponds to dash 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 is a similarity by AA criterion. चलिए ब्लैक का तो मैं लिख देता हूं ABC, ग्रीन का पार्ट यहां से लिखना पड़ेगा. ये दो कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. B corresponds to F, B मिडल में, F मिडल में. C corresponds to D, so C लास्ट है तो D लास्ट, बच गया E. So see, this correspondence is a similarity, not DEF. ABC corresponds to DEF नहीं, ABC corresponds to EFD. Therefore, similarity आ गई, so I can become the ratio. ऊपर एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल DEF है, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल EFD अपॉन नीचे एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC इज इक्वल टू. चिल्ड्रन, मेरे पास रिजल्ट 1 में EF और AB है, सो आई पिक अप दैट रेशियो ओनली. चलो EF चाहिए, सो यहां से EF लो तो आई विल गेट EF स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर चाहिए रेशियो ऑफ एरिया में, और EF लिया, if you have taken EF you will get AB, so AB square. Got it? Now you can change the order when triangle symbol is there. Therefore, area of triangle, instead of EFD, you can write DEF as it is given here. Okay, upon area of triangle ABC. This change you could do because of this symbol of triangle. Whole square EF upon AB. That is equal to, कोई मुझे बता सकेगा रिजल्ट 1 से मुझे क्या मिलेगा? EF, AB को ये बाजू ले आओ. So what is EF upon AB? Tell me. EF, AB comes this side, so EF upon AB, half. So that is equal to square of EF upon AB is half by 1, and that is 1 upon 4. Therefore, area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 4. Ratio form में लिखेंगे तो 1:4. So that is the answer. So ratio of areas of triangle joining the midpoints to the original triangle is 1:4. So remember this, area of green triangle is 1/4 the area of original triangle. And this green triangle is formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the original triangle. Are you getting me? So this is one more important result to be remembered for answering objective question. And what is the result? Area of green triangle that is formed by joining the midpoints of sides is equal to 1/4 the area of original triangle. Children, ये चारों ट्राइंगल है ना, इसका मेजर x, इसका एरिया x, इसका एरिया x, इसका एरिया x. So whole area is 4x, x plus x plus x. अब इसकी बात करें पैरेललोग्राम तो उसका एरिया 2x. अरे बाबा ट्रेपेजियम की बात करो, ये ट्रेपेजियम x plus x plus x, so it will be 3x. Children, you get many results from here. I hope you understood. Yes. So let's see the next sum. Prove that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of ratio of their corresponding medians. This is third successive sums where you have to find the ratio of areas of similar triangles. Alright? Chaliye. But in first case we had to prove AO upon BO. In second case, we have to find the ratio. In third case, again we have to prove, that is ratio of square of medians. Let's see. Yes, children. Now, data. Okay, I'll draw the figure first. Two triangles. This is triangle ABC. Let's say triangle ABC. And the other triangle is PQR. Children will be needing median. हमें median की जरूरत होगी. Whenever median is to be drawn for a triangle, the two sides should not be equal. Otherwise, it looks like altitude. Okay. So AB is shorter, AC is longer. PQ is shorter, PR is longer. Keep in mind. Okay. These two triangles are similar. Let me write data and then we'll try to understand the statement. Data. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. And what we have to prove? First, that is given. We have to prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to square of median of triangle ABC upon square of median corresponding median of triangle PQR. Okay, तो हमें डेटा में मीडियन भी ले लेना पड़ेगा. If I take A and this point is D, the midpoint of BC, then AB is median. उसी तरह, this is S. Let's take M. Normally we take M. All right. So QM equal to MR. So PM is median because medians are required. Data में लिख देते हैं. AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively. Now to prove is very clear, children. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to square of median of triangle ABC, that is AD square, and corresponding median is PM square. This is what you need to prove. Children, आसान है. Actually, we have already done this. Proof. Please, this is given. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So we have theorem 6.6. Ratio of area ले लीजिए. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, बोलो, AB square upon PQ square. AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square. BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. AC square upon PR square. Result 1 by theorem 6.6. Alright children? Children, ये ratio मिल गया. You can see. But AD square upon PM square नहीं मिला. This AD और यहाँ let me say PM write कर देता हूँ. Alright? Now, AD upon PM is AB upon PQ. वो प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. तो यहां मैं ब्लैक कर दूं AB को इन्वॉल्व करके, यहां PQ को रेड कर दूं उसको इन्वॉल्व करके. So you got this triangle ABD and this triangle PQM. You have already proved these two triangles are similar. कैसे? By SAS. याद करो. Once again, now I'll have to take this. Children, I'll have to prove black triangle is similar to red triangle. So I'll get AB upon PQ is equal to AD square upon, AD upon PM. So squaring both sides, AB square upon PQ square will be AD square upon PM square. And here it is, AB square upon PQ square is equal to AD square upon PM square. ये रिजल्ट मिल जाएगा. लेकिन अब ये दो ट्राइंगल प्रूव करने के लिए, you know this angle is congruent to this angle. क्यों? Similarity. And you know AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. ये दो चीज ले लेता हूं. Again, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by data. Children, we have already proved earlier. So now only the necessities I am picking up. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle Q. And AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR, BC upon QR by theorem 6.1. Now BC is double of BD and QR is double of QM because M is midpoint and D is midpoint here. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to 2 times BD upon 2 times QM. 2 cancel. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM. इसको कहते हैं रिजल्ट नंबर 2 और इसको कहते हैं रिजल्ट नंबर 3. अब देखो AB upon PQ, ये रहा AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM, BD upon QM, and included angle B is equal to included angle Q. So by SAS, correspondence is similarity. Alright, and to write the further answer, I'll use this part. Therefore, okay, by 2 and 3, by 2 and 3, by 2 and 3, it follows that a correspondence, dash corresponds to dash 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 is a similarity by SAS. बोलो इसका ABD लिख दो, ABD. अभी एंगल B corresponds to एंगल Q, B बीच में, Q बीच में. B corresponds to Q पक्का. You know from here B corresponds to Q, so A corresponds to P. A P रहेगा, PQ और बच गया M. Correct? Finished. You got it. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to, बोलिए, AD upon PM, AD upon PM. Therefore, squaring both sides, AB square upon PQ square is equal to AD square upon PM square. Result number 4. Are you getting me? Now see, result number 1, ratio of areas is equal to AB square upon PQ square. But same AB square upon PQ square we have proved in result 4 is equal to AD square upon PM square. That's it. By 1 and 4. By 1 and 4. It follows that. बोलिए, the ratio, this ratio, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, instead of AB square upon PQ square, it is AD square upon PM square. That's it, proved. Correct? The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of the squares of their corresponding medians. Okay? Understood? Good? Alright children. We move on to the next question, and that is 7th one of exercise 6.4. Okay? Before we read the statement, let's try to understand. Children, here is one line segment. Now, take any point outside it and join the endpoints. So you get a triangle. Let's say this is triangle ABC. This is triangle described on line segment BC. इसे कहते हैं triangle described on line segment BC. Let me take another line segment PQ. Outside this PQ, I am taking a point R and joining P and R, Q and R. So I got triangle PQR. Triangle PQR is described on line segment PQ. Well, here is is line segment XY. Outside this line, not on line, outside that, I take a point Z and join Z with X, Z with X. So triangle is formed. This is called triangle described on side XY, line segment XY. Is that clear? That word comes here. Alright? Let's see. Please. Now let's read the statement. PT means prove that area of an equilateral triangle. Do you know what is equilateral triangle? Yes. It's all three sides are equal. Prove that area of equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to half the area of another equilateral triangle which is described on its diagonal. Well, try to understand. Okay? Here, I draw one square. You should know what is a square. Let's say this is square ABCD. All sides are equal and all angles are right angle. Is that okay? The area of equilateral triangle which is described on its side. Choose any one side, children. Okay. कौन सी side choose करना चाहते हो? अच्छा, I'll choose this. I've chosen this. I'll take one point so that the triangle is equilateral. मुझे equilateral triangle चाहिए. ऐसे. This. Children, I'll make the same mark. क्योंकि ये साइड का जो मार्क है वही होगा ना इक्विलेटरल. ABCD, E. Let me say this is E. This is triangle AED. It is equilateral triangle described on any one side of square ABCD. Clear to you? Okay. Now, another triangle which is also equilateral but it is described on its diagonal. So, should I take one diagonal? Alright, I'll take one diagonal. Let me take that diagonal as BD. Alright. Now I have to describe equilateral triangle on BD. चलिए, कहाँ लो point? यहाँ ले लिया. A, B, C, D, E and let me call this F. Join with B and D. ये cross. So red triangle is equilateral. Where BD is diagonal. So red triangle is described on diagonal. Blue triangle is equilateral with side AD. Okay, or it is described on side. Please be careful now. Please be careful. You have to show that area of blue triangle is half the area of red triangle. That is what you have to show. Area of blue triangle is half the area of red triangle. That is what you have to show. So that means you will have to find out area of blue triangle. You have to find out area of red triangle. That is one way. And second, show that blue triangle is similar to red triangle. And if they are similar, you can pick up the ratio and put the value and get half. You can prove blue triangle is similar to red triangle. Alright? How? We'll see. First, data. Data is also tough here. Let's say blue triangle. Blue ही लिखता हूं. Triangle AED is described on side कौन सी AD of square ABCD. ठीक है? Then the red triangle BDF is described on diagonal BD of square ABCD. That's it. Data में इतना दिया और कुछ नहीं. What you have to prove? To prove area of blue, that area of blue triangle, area of triangle AED or ADE, whatever you like, is equal to, alright, is equal to half the area of triangle described on diagonal, that is area of triangle BDF. Children, उसका मतलब एरिया ऑफ ब्लू, रेड को नीचे ले आओ, एरिया ऑफ ब्लू अपॉन एरिया ऑफ रेड इज इक्वल टू हाफ, बट दैट रेशियो यू कैन टेक इफ द टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर. ऑलराइट, या तो फिर अलग अलग एरिया ढूंढो, अलग अलग एरिया ढूंढो, वो भी है, दोनों रास्ते दिखाता हूं मैं. ऑलराइट, बट फॉर दैट अगेन यू विल हैव टू रिकॉल. ओके, फर्स्ट लेट मी प्रूव बाय फर्स्ट वन मेथड. ऑलराइट, proof. My target is to prove area of blue triangle is similar to red. Now blue triangle is equilateral, so all sides are equal. चलिए, blue triangle AED is equilateral by data. All right. So AE equal to ED equal to AD equal to X, say, and this is the result 1, correct? Okay, so let's find out area of equilateral triangle. Children, again 9th standard result. If all three sides are equal, A, B, C, suppose X, 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 then what is area of triangle ABC equal to √3 by 4. √3 by 4, side square, that means X square. कोई भी साइड, BC square या AC square या AB square. Please remember this. So I'm going to use that. Therefore, area of triangle AED, which is equilateral, the blue one, that is √3 by 4. AD square, side square, that is, alright, I'll write AD square. और ब्रैकेट में लिखता हूं, ओके ओके, क्योंकि साइड यहां लिख दो, कोई भी साइड लिख दो, AD square, that is equal to √3 by 4. What is AD? X. So X square. Result 2 by 1. Therefore, area of blue triangle AED is equal to this in result 2. All right. उसी तरह इसको निकाल के देखते हैं. Children, we called AB as X, BC X, CD X, AD X. So in this right triangle, ये right triangle में you can get BD, on which another equilateral triangle is described. Okay, so let's find out BD, that is diagonal, using Pythagoras. In a right triangle ABD, right angle is A, so BD square is equal to AB square plus AD square, that is X square plus X square, because this is X, that is 2X square. Therefore BD square is equal to, taking square root on both sides, so that is √2x. Call it result number 3. So this is √2x. BD is √2x. So in this equilateral triangle, all three sides are √2x. Correct? So let's find out area of the red triangle now. Area of red triangle BDF is equal to √3 by 4. Side square, उसकी side BD ले ले, BD square, that is √3 by 4 into square of, what is BD? √2x, correct? So that is √3 by 4 into square of √2 is 2 and square of x is x square. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So what you got? √3 by 2 x square. This is area of triangle BDF. Result number 5. Correct? Or is it 4? Yes, it is result number 4. And here you got it by 3. The value आपने 3 से लिया, √2x. Alright? दोनों का एरिया मिल गया. So now take the ratio by, where is area of triangle AED? Here, result 2 में, and area of triangle BDF, result 4 में. So by 2 and 4, it follows that. What it follows? Area of this triangle. Area of triangle AED upon area of triangle BDF is equal to, चलिए ऊपर, what is area of triangle? This √3 by 4. Children, ये fraction की वजह से see what sir is doing. √3 by 4 x square. √3x square by 4. And then I am putting division sign upon. So I am putting division sign here. Division sign. Upon what? So √3 by 2 x square. I'll put this in the bracket, this in the bracket. This divided by this. Convert division into multiplication. √3x square by 4 multiplied by inverse 2 upon 3x, √3x square. √3 cancel, x square cancel. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So that is equal to half. What is half? Area of triangle AED upon area of triangle BDF. That is equal to half. So take this on other side. इसको वो बाजू ले जाओ. So you can say area of triangle AED is equal to half of area of triangle BDF. Proved. I hope you understood. Alright, we'll see the alternative method. Okay, for sum number 7. Okay, here is the figure. What are we given? Quadrilateral ABCD is a square, and a triangle blue AED is described on side AD, and triangle red BDF is described on side, which is a diagonal of square. Alright, now I'll write this proof. Triangle AED is an equilateral triangle on side AD. Okay, therefore AE equal to ED equal to AD. That is equal to X, say. Result 1. So we call this AD. This, all three sides are equal. Okay, and all sides of square are also equal. This side of square is also the base of triangle blue. Correct? If that is X, all this is X. Right? And this three sides are also X. Alright, fine. Okay. Now, since we have AD, correct? Let's find out the diagonal. Let's find out the diagonal. And this red triangle which is described on diagonal is also equilateral. Let me make mark for that. Okay? Sure. Now, in right triangle, you know side AD is X. Now let's find out what is diagonal, because diagonal of square is hypotenuse of right triangle ABD. So using Pythagoras we can find out BD. So in right triangle ABD, BD square is equal to AD square plus AB square. This BD square is AD square plus AB square. AD is X, so X square. AB is X, so X square. So that is 2X square. BD square is 2X square. Taking square root on both sides. Therefore, BD square root gone. Yeah, that is equal to √2. Square root is gone, so X. Result number, okay. Result number 2, okay. Now, the red triangle. Triangle BDE is also equilateral. Therefore, I'm taking that BD is equal to BE is equal to DF is equal to, children, here this BD is there, correct? If BD is equal to root 2x, then BD equal to B equal to DF also will be root 2x. Result number 3. Okay. Now children, the blue triangle and the red triangle are always similar because they are equilateral. By SSS, we are not going to write that, but I am showing you first. Okay. See this. I'll take the side first. AD is equal to AE is equal to DE. Correct? This is one result. For red triangle, I'll take the diagonal first. Okay. BD is equal to BF is equal to DF. Result number 2. Okay. So take using Euclid's property in 1 and 2. You can say AD upon BD is equal to AE upon BF is equal to DE upon DF. Correct? Okay. So the blue triangle or red triangle के बीच SSS is satisfied. Therefore, a correspondence dash corresponds to dash is a similarity by SSS. A correspondence. Alright? Dash dash dash. Blue का लिख देता हूं. ADE. Now you know here what is repeating? A and down B. So A corresponds to B. A is first, so B has to be first. A corresponds to A, pakka. So D corresponds to D in the center, and the left out is F. Therefore, triangle ADE. Actually, children, here we know all 6 correspondences are similar. So you can write anything if you want. ADE. इसकी जरूरत भी नहीं है. You can write DFB, or you may write this right side DBE, or you may write right side BF, not E but F, BFB. Fourth one, you can write FBD, and sixth, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth FDB. So all 6 correspondences में से कोई भी लिख सकते हैं by SSS for 2 equilateral triangle. Okay, चलिए. Because we are able to write all 6 correspondences as similarity, correct? So we need not write and show this. Okay, so I'm going to write here, since triangle ADE starting में मैं that side ले लेता हूं, okay, which is also a side, base ले लेता हूं, which is also a side of square, and triangle यहां diagonal ले लेता हूं, BDF are equilateral. Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle BDF. Alright? Or let me write like this. Therefore, triangle ADE and triangle BDF are similar triangles for any of the 6 correspondences. Any of the 6 correspondences. Alright? By SSS theorem. That's it. So now you can write any. Therefore, triangle, I'm taking this only, ADE, similar to triangle BDF. कोई भी लेना है, पर मैंने इतना ध्यान रखा, AD which is the base of blue triangle is the side of square, and a DF which is also base of triangle red is diagonal of square. चलो, therefore, area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDF is equal to AD square upon BD square. So you may write that is equal to whole square. Now what is AD? It's there. AD is there. What is that? X. So AD square will be, let me write X square. Alright, and then BD is also there. Here it is. What is BD? Root 2x. So root 2x square will be 2x square. X square cancels, and that is 1 upon 2. So you got it. area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDF is equal to half. Therefore, area of triangle ADE is equal to half on other side. Take this on other side. Area of triangle BDF. Alright? This is proved. Okay? Fine? Understood the alternative method? Alright, so we come to the concluding part of exercise 6.4. The last two sums, which are in the form of MCQs, that is objective questions, and we should finish them as fast as possible. Let's see. Triangle ABC and BDE are two equilateral triangles. Both are equilateral triangles, such that D is midpoint of BC. Let's see. First triangle ABC. BC is here. So I'll take its midpoint D. Correct? Now, red one, this one is triangle ABC. Now we have BDE. Only D is here. B is here. But E is not there. So I'll have to take E outside. Correct? This is equilateral triangle. This one is equilateral triangle. Correct? Okay. And these two triangles are similar. Any correspondence ABC corresponds to BDE is similarity. Why? Because the two triangles are equilateral. Alright? By SSS. We have seen in one of the examples. Okay. Children, now be careful. BD, BE and ED are equal. Let me call it X. Now D is midpoint. So BD equal to DC. So DC also would be X. So how much is BC? X plus X, 2X. So each side is 2X. So measure of each side of triangle BED is X. And measure of each side of red triangle ABC is 2X. Now let's take the ratio. Yeah, we have to find the ratio of area. पहला कौन सा triangle है? Alright, any. Fine. Oh, it's here. Ratio of area of triangle ABC and triangle BDE. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BDE is equal to, बोलिए कौन सी साइड ले लूं, AB और BD. AB स्क्वायर अपॉन BD स्क्वायर. दोनों स्क्वायर है तो होल स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं. दैट्स इट. नाउ AB 2x है और BD x है, होल स्क्वायर. x कैंसल. द आंसर इज 4 और रेशियो बोला 4/1, so that is 4:1. So here is the answer, 4:1. Got it, children? Understood? Here, I was reading this question and attempting the top one. All right. Now let's see the 9th one. All right. Let's see the 9th one. What it is? Sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. Sides of two similar triangles. Areas of these two triangles are in the ratio. This is very easy. Let me say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. They are similar triangles. And AB upon PQ. Yes, side, corresponding side. Ratio 4:9. So 4/9. And you are supposed to find the ratios of its area. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, again, AB square upon PQ square. Both are square. So you may write whole square. Baba, direct substitution. What is AB upon PQ? Yeah, what is AB upon PQ? 4/9. Whole square. 4 square is 16 and 9 square is 81. So the answer is here. Okay. I hope you have understood. So we end up this session here. Bye bye.